Horses out, we have Bianca's Fantasy, pass to begin, moving up, going time, Sweet Kid, Mr. Victory, Earl Grey, Bianca's Fantasy by about 2 lengths, Indian Mint now moving up to take second, and in third, Earl Grey, going time, Bush Carnival, Sweet Kid, and Mr. Victory. And going along for the first turn, Bianca's Fantasy moving up party outside now is Indian Minta. And 4 lengths so in third, Earl Grey alongside Bush Carnival, Sweet Kid, Mr. Victory, and going time. Indian Mint by Aralenka. Bianca's Fantasy drives back in second, Earl Grey in third alongside Bush Carnival, Sweet Kid in fifth, then followed by Mr. Victory, and going time. Indian Mint by Aralenka and Hapa. Bianca's Fantasy still in second. Earl Grey in third. And moving up by Drelly Sweet Kid. Alongside moving up Mr. Victory, Bush Carnival. But still Indian Mint by Aralenka. Bianca's Fantasy, Sweet Kid moving up party outside. As they come down at the last 200. Once again, Bianca's Fantasy, Sweet Kid, Indian Mint in the middle. Bianca's Fantasy by about 2 lengths. Sweet Kid is already outside. Bianca's Fantasy, Sweet Kid is already outside. But it's still Bianca's Fantasy over Sweet Kid. Mr. Victory, then comes Indian Mint, Earl Grey.